Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix USB device not recognized error on your Windows 10 or 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue USB device not recognized error, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to right click on your start menu and click on device manager. In this last you will find universal serial bus controller. Double click on that. You can see here USB root hub. Just right click on that and click on uninstall device. Click on uninstall. After that, just click on scan for hardware changes and close this window. Again you have to click on start menu, click on settings, click on Windows Update. If your Windows is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating the Windows, just close this window, and once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix USB device not recognized error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.